How to add sticker in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. Basically, this is the place where you can find different tools and create a new project. Here on the left top, simply tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. So we've entered inside this editing platform. This is the place where you can edit and make different cuts in your video. Here on the bottom, you can find different tools that are available. Now if you slowly swipe right, you can see a section of sticker. Simply tap on sticker. Now you can easily search and easily add on the stickers. So tap on the one that you like and it will automatically import it. Now you can adjust it and keep it wherever you like. At last you can export it and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.